This is the game Feel for Shapes, in which one player reaches into a bag of shapes, feels a shape, and then describes it without looking at it. The other players try to guess the mystery shape based on the way it's being described. This is a great game to play with small groups of kids, and it really helps children build their vocabulary for talking about shapes. To play this game, you can use pattern blocks or any other shape materials that you have. You can start out with just a few types of shapes and then gradually add more as kids learn to identify new shapes. To get started, spread a collection of shapes on the table and ask, "So, what do you notice about these shapes?" And you can point out that even though some of the shapes, like these triangles, are different sizes or maybe turned differently, they're still triangles because they all have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Next, hide some of the shapes in a bag and have one child close their eyes and reach into the bag. You can say, "Can you hold one of the shapes and describe it to us without looking at it?" Ask the child to say as many things as they can about the shape, so that everyone else can picture the shape even without seeing it. Then ask if any of the other players can guess what shape the child is holding inside the bag. Once everyone has had a guess, see if the child who's holding the shape has an idea, and then have the big reveal where they take the shape out of the bag and we all see what it is. Then pass the bag to the next child so they can reach in and try to describe the shape that they're holding. Knowing the name of a shape is just a small piece of knowing about that shape. This game helps children pay attention to the attributes that define a shape, like how many sides and vertices it has. By describing an object to others, children are building their language and vocabulary skills. In this game, they're also practicing giving precise descriptions, which is an important mathematical habit of mind. You can also play this game with other objects besides shapes, like blocks or toys or small kitchen items. Kids will get lots of vocabulary practice trying to describe the objects inside the bag, and they'll get a chance to apply their shape vocabulary to common household items.